Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the InShot video editing application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to install this application on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator. To install your Android emulator, open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the BlueStacks website. From here, click on the download button to download the installer. And once it is downloaded, you can open it up and click through the next buttons, which will install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it to gain access to your BlueStacks app player or your Android home screen. From here, from System Apps, open up the Google Play Store and then log in using your Google ID. Then you can just tap on the search box and type in InShot and start your search. Once you find the InShot application, just tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the InShot video editing app on your PC. Just wait for a little while until the installation is done, and once it is completed, you will see the open button which you can tap on in order to open up the app, and this will also create a shortcut within your desktop which you can directly double click to open up your application as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the InShot application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.